This will be a speed test between the OnePlus 6 versus the OnePlus 5T. Now the OnePlus 6, this one has the Snapdragon 845, and the OnePlus 5T has the Snapdragon 835. Both have a whopping 8 gigs of RAM. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Identical. Messaging. Same thing. Camera on both. Very similar. Calculator. There you go. The clock on both phones. And let's go to the stopwatch and run this in the background. Play Store. Give this to the 6 and click on this. Leave it on that page. eBay on both phones. And give this to the 6. Click on this one. Leave it on that page. Baseball app. And give this to the 6 again. NBA app, go. And give this to the OnePlus 6. This one had a weird pop-up, so take this with a grain of salt. The browsing on both. Open up Chrome. Click on Amazon. Let's go. And very similar. Scrolling on this. Nice and fast on both phones. Go to the full site. And again, very similar performance. Pinch to zoom. Very nice. Go ahead and close this. Mario Run. Loading on both. And ooh, the OnePlus 6 just a little bit ahead. Tap to begin. And go ahead and close this out. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Monaco. And the OnePlus 6, a little bit faster. This one has like some sort of ad. So take this with a grain of salt. Tap to play. Close it. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Lost Jungle. Both are loading. And very close. Let's see which one's out in front. And OnePlus 6, a little bit faster. Go ahead and play. And close it out. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. OnePlus 6 out in front. Will the 5T catch up? And the OnePlus 6 taking this game. Go ahead and close this. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar. And which one's gonna go out in front? Maybe the OnePlus 6, let's find out. And give this to the OnePlus 6. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the OnePlus 6. And this one has a weird Google Play pop-up, so take this with a grain of salt, but give you a general idea. And this one is lagging a little bit. Okay, go ahead and just close this out. Instagram. Identical. And Snapchat. Ooh, very close. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background as you can see. These are the 8GB of RAM variants. RAM management should be nice and butter, but let's find out right now. Instagram still in RAM. CSR Racing 2, paused and ready to resume on both. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, ready to go as well. Angry Birds 2, ready to play. Temple Run 2, ready to resume. Subway Surf, ready to resume as well. Mario Run on both. And right where we left it off, Chrome on both. Same place, and not sure what's going on with the 5T, with a black screen. So I'm not sure what that's about. NBA app, same place. Baseball app, same place. eBay on both. And ready to go on the OnePlus 6, a little bit of a stutter on the 5T. Play Store on both, ready to go. The clock on both phones, stopwatch still in the background, calculator on both. There you go. Camera on both. There you have it, messaging app, still in RAM, and the phone app, boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this one. If you have a 5T, are you gonna go ahead and upgrade to the latest and greatest from OnePlus, the OnePlus 6? This phone being a spec upgrade with a Snapdragon 845 and a notch design, etc. Or are you just gonna stick with your 5T? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.